This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the virtual machine is not running. Restoring requires the VM be powered off or in a saved state. Once done, open Oracle VM Virtualbox Manager and click the VM you intend to roll back. Next, open the Snapshots pane on the right. This displays the snapshot tree and timestamps so you can pick the correct recovery point. Make sure disk space is adequate and note current state before proceeding. With the Snapshots pane visible, select the snapshot you want to restore by matching its name and timestamp to the recovery target. Once selected, right-click and choose Restore or click the Restore button in the toolbar. Virtualbox will prompt you about replacing the current state. Confirm the action. If offered, take a backup of the current state to a new snapshot to avoid accidental data loss. The manager applies VM disk, and machine state changes immediately after confirmation. Finally, power on the VM to validate the restore. Boot through the OS and inspect critical services and applications to confirm the snapshot applied as expected. If something goes wrong, power off and either restore the pre-restore snapshot you saved or consult the VirtualBox log files for disk or state errors. Make sure network adapters and shared folders are correct. Reapply any external integration settings as needed to return the VM to full operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.